Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus, and welcome to 318 Elm Street, Unit 2, located in North Attleboro, Massachusetts. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 2nd floor apartment. And before I begin the walkthrough of this apartment, I would like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, so you can keep up to date on all of the listings that we have available on our website, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So, we're going to begin the walkthrough of this apartment in the living area. The living area, as well as the bedrooms and a little hallway leading to the front entrance, all house a carpet flooring. Very nice. All the same color. And you'll notice right away that the apartment has been freshly painted all throughout. Look fantastic. And it's very spacious in here. Should be able to fit plenty of furniture, no problem. You also have plenty of outlets in here for any electronics you like to put in here. And one other thing you'll notice right away is the centralized heat. It is centralized gas heat, which is fantastic and removes any clutter from any kind of radiators, which is always a plus. Once again, adds plenty of room to this actual room itself. Very nice. And the living room leads to the hallway, and it also leads to the 2 bedrooms, which I'll show you guys. Now, they're both relatively the same size. We'll go into the first one. It's right through here. Once again, the fresh paint is present in here as well. And as I said before, both bedrooms do have carpet flooring. And the centralized heat is also in here as well. Very nice. A little bit of a smaller, medium-ish bedroom. Should be able to fit a twin-size bed in here, no problem. Even a standard should be able to fit with some couple pieces of furniture. Each bedroom also has their own closet space. That one is right over there. Very nice. And through this door will be the 2nd bedroom. The bedrooms are connected through a doorway, but obviously it's not the only way to enter. Awesome. There's the 2nd bedroom. Once again, fresh paint, plenty of outlets for electronics. You'll be cable and internet ready upon move-in. And once again, the carpet flooring is present, and the centralized gas heat is also present. Very nice. And as I said before, should be able to fit a standard size, twin-size bed in here, no problem. All right. Next up, we'll look at the kitchen area. It's a nice open kitchen area. Should be able to fit a dining set in this kitchen, no problem at all. And it's this and the bathroom are the only rooms that don't feature the carpet flooring. This one features a nice laminate wood flooring, looks pretty new. And you'll notice right away that the kitchen is pretty updated, as going to the counters and the cabinets, obviously. And nice fresh paint job, once again, lots of outlets in here as well. And the kitchen also leads to the rear entryway to the apartment, which is very nice. And some of the appliances in here include the medium-sized refrigerator right here, as well as the small electric 4-burner stove and oven. Very nice. And the wide single-bin stainless steel sink with the spray nozzle. Very nice. Like I said before, it's very open in here. Should be able to fit a dining set, no problem at all. All right. Last but not least, we'll look at the bathroom, which is right through here. And as we're looking at the bathroom, I'd like to note some features that come with this apartment, including 1 off-street parking spot. Water and sewer will be included. And landscaping and snow removal will be provided. And there's also coin-operated laundry in the basement, as well as some extra storage. Very nice. So, as you walk into the bathroom, you'll be noticing the small sink with the cabinet underneath, and a nice little medicine cabinet with the mirror. It's a little bit of a smaller bathroom, but obviously houses and necessities needed. Right through here. And here is the stand-up shower. Right through here has the nice glass door. Very nice. Alrighty. Once again, this is 318 Elm Street, Unit 2, located in North Attleboro, Massachusetts. And before I go, I'd like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you'll be able to view all of our listings on our website and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you.